Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Seals. Now recently I showed you exactly how you can prepare your very own vitamin C oil using orange peel. Now guys, these are power-packed, potent vitamin C guys, and so I'm going to show you how you can use your very own orange oil or vitamin C oil that you recently make based on the video that I showed you. Now if you haven't yet watched that video, how you can make your very own vitamin C oil using orange peel, go ahead and take a look at that video. It's an amazing tutorial that gives you step-by-step instructions on how you can prepare your very own vitamin C oil based on your specific skin type. Now as you can see, I have 3 different versions of vitamin C oil guys. This particular one was made with the coconut oil. This one was made with rosehip oil, and guys, this particular one was made with grapeseed oil. Now, all of these different specific type of oils can be used for different skin type. For example, if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, I would recommend that you make your very own vitamin C oil using the grapeseed oil. Now guys, go and take a look at that video on how you can make vitamin C oil based on your specific skin type. Now guys, as you know, vitamin C oil is an amazing oil to use on your skin, especially in the mornings guys. It provides an extra layer of protection from the UV rays of the sun and other environmental stressors such as pollution. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can use your very own vitamin C oil to make an important serum that you can use in the mornings on your skin when you're going out to work or you're going out to school or wherever you're going. You just put it over your skin guys, a light layer of that vitamin C serum over your face, and that is going to give you an amazing, beautiful glow. It's just going to brighten up your skin, brighten up your complexion, and give you that flawless looking skin. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, come on and let me show you how you can use only 3 ingredients. Only 3 ingredients using your vitamin C oil to make this important serum to give you that beautiful, bright looking glow. To put together our vitamin C serum, we're going to start by using our very own vitamin C oil guys. I've shown you how to prepare your very own vitamin C oil and power-packed, potent vitamin C oils. This is concentrated version. So whenever I'm using my orange oil or my vitamin C oil as the proper name for it, I usually like to dilute it with something else because it is a concentrated version. This particular one was made with the grounded dried orange powder, and so this one is a very concentrated version, and so we're going to be mixing it with other oils to make our serum today. We're also going to be using rosehip oil, and we're also going to be using vitamin E oil. We'll start off by using 1 tablespoon of our vitamin C oil. The reason why we're using our vitamin C oil today is because it's a natural antioxidant that will help to brighten our skin and even out our skin tone. When you use this oil on a regular basis, guess what it's going to do? It is going to stimulate collagen production, which can improve the texture and firmness of our skin. And so when we use it in the mornings guys, it's just going to give you that beautiful, beautiful glow. Vitamin C oil also helps to promote collagen production, which improves the skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Because it contains antioxidants, it will help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, and it will also help to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and it will really give you that beautiful, flawless looking glow. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that will help to reduce redness and irritation, and it will also help to fight your scars, it will help to fight your melasma, it will help to fight your sunburn, and all these different skin problems that you have guys. So this is going to be an amazing oil to use in your skin care routine. So we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of our orange vitamin C oil, and we're going to be storing it in a jar container. And guys, what I usually do, I usually store it in my container and keep it on my countertop so I'm able to use it every single morning before going to work. Now, as I said before, if you're a person who suffers from acne or who have lots of breakout on a regular basis, if you have oily skin, make sure that you're using your vitamin E oil that was made with grapeseed oil. Now, if you haven't yet seen that video, go ahead and take a look at that particular video, how you can make your very own vitamin C oil or your orange oil. This is exactly what it is. The reason why you're using the grapeseed oil is because it's non-comedogenic. That means that it will not clog your pores guys, and so this particular grapeseed oil is very, very light. This is the carrier oil of choice that was used to make the vitamin C oil for those persons who have sensitive skin, or you suffer from acne, or you have oily skin. So this particular oil is going to be your favorite oil, and so we want to encourage you that when you're making your serum that you use oils specific to your skin type. The reason why we're using rosehip oil today in our vitamin C serum is because it is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants antioxidants, and this really helps to hydrate and nourish your skin. It also contains vitamin A, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the rosehip oil today. And one of the things that I like about rosehip oil also is that not only is it rich in vitamin A oil, it's also rich in vitamin C as well. And that also will go a long way in protecting our skin from the damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin A oil is also called retinol, guys, and so this goes a long way in also removing hyperpigmentation as well. And so this oil, rosehip oil, also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help to soothe and calm our skin when irritated. It's so beneficial to our skin if you're a person who suffers from eczema or psoriasis. This particular serum with rosehip oil is going to go a long way to soothing and calming your skin. It also helps to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. So if you have stretch mark, guys, if you have melasma, if you have keloid scars, this particular serum is going to be excellent for you and for you to be able to use it on a daily basis. And it will also promote skin regeneration and cell turnover. And so, it is lightweight, it is non-greasy, and it is easy to absorb in the skin. And so that's one of the reasons why, it can be used on any skin type, whether you're acne prone or your oily skin. This oil, the rosehip oil, is excellent to be used on any skin type. Our next oil that we're going to be using in our serum today is vitamin E oil, and this brand has 70,000 IU. The 70,000 IU, I'm going to use a little bit less, and so we're going to be using about a half a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil because it's so much more concentrated. As you know, vitamin E oil is a powerhouse, powerful antioxidant that will help to protect your skin from free radical damage. It also has moisturizing properties that will help to hydrate and soften our skin. Because it's such a powerful antioxidant, it also protects our skin from damage. Our skin experiences so many environmental stressors in the daytime, stressors like pollution, UV rays. This oil will go a long way in protecting our skin. This oil also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by promoting collagen production. It has moisturizing properties, and it will also help to hydrate and moisturize your skin. When you have a scar, guys, I've endured many scars. I've gotten a lot of burns over the years, from cooking, and I've used this specific vitamin C serum that we're making today to lighten many of these scars that I've incurred over the years from, getting burned from the oven. Vitamin E oil is a healing oil, and so it will really go a long way in helping us get rid of our scars. When you have a scar, guys, start using it early in the process. Maybe not immediately after. As soon as your burn, your cut, or your bruises start healing, start using your vitamin E oil. This is the perfect ingredient to use in our vitamin C serum. You will find that using vitamin E oil is just amazing overall in getting rid of your scars or minimizing your scarring. If you find that you're getting bruises on a regular basis or you're getting burns, don't be afraid to use your vitamin E oil, guys. You want to make sure that you always have your oils on hand. You can make your own oils. We're doing a series of oils right now, and so I want to encourage you that as you make your oils, you go ahead and you label them properly and you store them properly in a dark area, not in the bright light, but in a dark area. And also use your oils to make your serums, your very own serums, so you know exactly what is in them. It's vitamin C brightening serum today. We're going to be using about half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Okay, you can just use I choose to measure it this way because I want to make sure that I have sufficient of my vitamin E oil. And you know what? If you feel like you want to add 1 teaspoon, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon. I love to add vitamin E oil, and so this is go a long way in ensuring that you have sufficient oil. And you know what you can also do is you can also double up this amount of oil. This oil probably will last me for an entire week or maybe more. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, we do not have a lot in our container, and so this is all I need for the entire week, guys. Sometimes when I make it like this, it lasts me for more than a week. A little bit goes a long way. You really do not need a lot. And so because you're wearing it during the daytime, you can actually choose to wear your vitamin C oil at night as well. When you wear your vitamin C oil at night, it will help to boost collagen production, and it will also go a long way in promoting repair of your skin while you sleep. Now everyone, I've shown you how to make your very own vitamin C serum, your potent, power pack, antioxidant packed, vitamin C serum, your very own vitamin C serum. You can make this and you can use it on a regular basis, on a daily basis before going to work, or you can also use it on a nightly basis before going to bed. There is no specific time of day that you can actually use this particular serum. I like to use it both times, both at night and in the mornings. I find that when I wear it in the daytime, it provides a layer of protection for me, especially when I'm going out to be out in the sun, or if I'm going to be outside for a long period of time. And also I like to wear it at night, so if I have any bruises or any breakouts or anything, it will repair the layers of my skin and boost the collagen production in my skin. And so guys, all you have to do, as I said before, a little bit goes a long way, okay? So this is a little bit too much. This is all I need, okay guys? And so all I need to do is to just rub it up and press it over my face, guys. Press it over my face, okay? Put a little bit over my neck. You don't need a lot. We're not trying to get our skin greasy or anything. We just want to provide that layer of protection, okay? And once you're done, you can put your moisturizer on, guys. You can put your moisturizer on. You can put your foundation on. You can put your makeup on, and you're ready to go, okay? Now, when you do this, I can guarantee you this is a layer of protection, you know, from the UV rays of the sun. Now, if you're going to use your vitamin C serum at night, it's best for you to first clean off all your makeup, remove all the gunk, everything from your face, guys. And I want to encourage you to take a look at the oil cleansing method that I've shared with you before. So that's another layer of protection from your skin. And also, guys, once you clean your face at night, all you have to do is do the same thing that we just did. Put another little bit in your hands, okay? And you know, this time there's a little bit more comes out, but I'm not worried about it because it's nighttime. So once you're using it for nighttime, guys, you can actually use a little bit more than when you're doing it in the daytime. And so what that does is that your skin is going to absorb it, and it's going to repair the layers of your skin and also boost collagen production in your skin. And so your skin is going to look so much fuller in the mornings and so much more refined. All those fine lines and wrinkles are going to dissipate. Guys, I can tell you this, and you know, especially when I'm using it at night, I like to rub in my problem areas. You know, if you realize that you're having fine lines and wrinkles, you know, you massage your area, okay? You massage it at night. Whenever you're using this vitamin C serum, you just massage it in your problem areas or areas that you think you might start to develop fine lines and wrinkles. This is how I protect my skin from developing fine lines and wrinkles, and this is a perfect way. You know, they always talk about prevention is better than cure. If you want to prevent fine lines and wrinkles, this is a perfect way to use your very own oils to start moisturizing your skin at night and in the mornings to prevent yourself from, you know, from all these major pesky skin problems. Prevention is always better than cure, and so I want to encourage you, start using your oils. You know, it's easy to make these oils. Take a look at the video, watch them over and over again. Take a look at the video, and I want to encourage you to make your very own oil for yourself. And you know, if you make a batch, finish it, go ahead and make a new batch. This is how I protect my skin from premature aging, and you know, protection from the environmental stressors, and also, you know, just generally having a flawless, glowing looking skin. When you're using your vitamin C serum, don't be afraid to moisturize under your eye area, around your area that you develop your cool feet, or in your other problem areas, okay? And always, guys, do not forget your neck area, okay? Your neck and your chest area. Don't forget to take it on your neck and your décolleté area, okay? Now guys, I hope you will learn something. Go ahead, make your vitamin C serum, moisturize your face in the mornings and in the evening. Protect your skin from premature aging, protect your skin from environmental stressors, protect your skin from all these blemishes and pesky skin problems just by being consistent with the use of your skincare products. Now guys, I want to encourage you to go ahead, make your very own skincare products. We have a lot of choices. Go ahead, choose according to your skin type, try them out. Don't forget to do your patch test, guys. When you're doing your patch test, you take a little bit of the oil, you put it either on your inner arm or you can put it right behind your ear, just to make sure that it's in agreement with your skin. You want to make sure that you're using products that is in agreement with your skin. So I want to encourage you, go ahead, take the challenge, make your very own vitamin C serum and give yourself that bright, beautiful glow. Now guys, if you enjoy watching this video, I want to encourage you to share it with your family and friends so that they too can be inspired. And I also encourage you to support this video, support this channel by watching the entire video throughout until the end. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I want to encourage you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of this amazing, growing YouTube family. I look forward to inviting you and to welcome you to our channel. hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload a new video. Also guys, let me know in the comments when you subscribe so I can send a special welcome message just for you. Now guys, until then, it's cheers to your great health and great looking skin from Journey to Health with Seals. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!